First impressions matter, especially at work. Imagine stepping into a new office where every hello opens a door to connection. In today's lesson, Meeting New Colleagues, Self-Introduction, you'll learn how to confidently introduce yourself, share key details, and start meaningful conversations. Let's get ready to make those first moments count. Let's move to the key language used to introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Alicia Sharma.
Hello, Alicia. My name's Tom Robinson. Hi, I'm Lee.
Hi, Lee. I'm Jana. I'm Sally James.
It's good to meet you, Sally.
Hello. My name's Carla.
Pleased to meet you.
My name is Siddiq Ali.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Ali.
Great to meet you.
You too.
Let's move to the gap-filling practice. Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the alphabet pronunciation, which will later help in spelling names.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hello. I'm here to collect my security pass.
Could I take your name, please?
It's George Benson.
Is that George?
Yes, it is. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name's Katie Lewis.
Good afternoon, Katie. I'll just print off your name badge for you. Is that Katie or Katy?
It's Katy. Thank you.
Could I arrange a security pass for Frances Smith, please? Frances is starting with us next week.
Of course. How do you spell Frances?
Frances.
Hi, I'm Lorna.
Hi, Laura. I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you.
Oh, sorry. My name's Lorna. That's Lorna.
Could you check over this email to Zandra before I send it?
Yes, of course. Oh, you've misspelled her name. It's Zandra.
So, we've got Boris Yates coming in for an interview today.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch the name. Was it Doris or Boris?
Boris. Boris.
Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the key language used to introduce other people.
May I introduce Maria Diaz? Maria is our sales manager for Europe.
It's good to meet you, Maria.
It's a pleasure to meet you too. Amit, meet Edward. Edward, Amit and I work together.
Great to meet you, Edward.
I'd like you to meet Zoe Carr.
It's nice to meet you, Ms. Carr.
This is my new assistant, Levi.
Hi, Levi. Good to meet you.
Let's move to the gap fill practice. Say the sentence out loud, filling in the gaps using the words in the panel. Let's check the suggested answers. Great job today. You've learned how to confidently introduce yourself and connect with new colleagues in a professional setting. Remember, a clear self-introduction is more than just sharing your name. It's the first step to building trust and teamwork. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon your introductions will feel natural and impactful. Thanks for joining this lesson, and get ready to shine in your next business interaction.